up in the back of the Toyota.
First race?
Yeah, first dirt bike race.
Me too. It's gonna be interesting.
It's good. I want to do as many races as I can, so when we do Baja again, the jitters are not there.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Done enough races by now. Done a few, but the more you do, the more comfortable you get, right?
It's true.
Let's do every one that we can.
And we're gonna meet up with Arthur and Travis at the pits. And we'll be all checked in and stuff.
We out here, Hurricane, Utah. Right, racing the Rhino Rally. This is mine, John's, and Chance's first time desert racing. Our goal is to just not get last and finish the race.
Yeah, finish the race is my first priority.
Finish the race.
I've never raced before.
All of my numbers are gonna fall off.
Immediately just jumps off. Oh, dude,
Someone put too much SE1 on there, so.
Who was that?
It was me.
Okay, Travis. What are you racing and what's your expectations?
So we're racing the Rhino Rally. I'm an open expert. I'm hoping to be like top 25 to 30 overall. That's what we're going for.
And what are you riding?
Husqvarna TX300 of 2023.
So someone mentioned going out onto the second loop and having to get fuel to go out for the second loop, and then I had realized I didn't even put fuel in my bike that morning. So this is me looking to see how close the pit is from where I'm at in the starting line. Luckily, unluckily, someone had gone down, so it had stalled the start. So I had an extra 2 minutes to run to the pit, throw some fuel in it, get back out there right before the start.
So I had just come into pit here after the first 40 miles. Had to get some fuel, change the GoPro battery, fresh pair of goggles. I wasn't really sure where I was at this point, but I was sitting at about 30th overall at this point in the race. Pit took a little longer than expected. We had some difficulties with the GoPro battery change. Ended up just swapping cameras with Tim for the last half. But put on a pretty good pace for the last 20 miles after this.
What are you doing, guy? What the hell?
Well, I got a flat. I figured I'd stop, take a piss, a little snackaroo.
How was it?
That's pretty good.
Chance! Hey! We made it! Here, come over here.
Oh, yeah, I think I'm gonna go grab some lunch, man.
How was it?
Yeah, you too.
Dude, that was awesome.
So Arthur had the name Sand Jesus from a sand recovery where he got prayed for. But after today, we saw him out there, it's on film and everything, eating a snack in the middle of the desert. So we're gonna start calling him Yogi.
Wait, was he really snacking?
Yeah.
He pulled over to snack?
Well, I guess flat tire too, but yeah, like I rolled by. It was like shortly after I passed you and John coming out, and I look over and see him, and I'm like, "What the hell are you doing?" He just holds his snack out as I'm like looking.
That's funny.
I think I'm okay.
I got it here. I did that at mile 20.
What else did you do at mile 20?
I took a piss, I had a little snack.
How was your picnic, Yogi?
That's your new nickname is Yogi. Well, how?
Huh? Dude, that was mile 20, so I went like 25 miles on a flat.
Well, how was it?
That was wild. That was pretty fun though. We had to do some modifications here. Luckily Tim is the master of sticking things to things. Puts a little bit of chewing gum in there. A little Rocketeer trick. It's held in there.